More than anti-Iraqi sentiments, they also brought the weapons to make guerrilla war effective. For these hills, climbing east into the Himalayas, hid a large and, unlike Afghanistan, cohesive guerrilla army. Known as the Peshmerga, they comprised two forces totaling 14,000 men under arms. Backed by Iran, Syria and Libya, their renewed resistance grew sharply from 1983. Soon they controlled a third of Kurdistan, pinning down 30,000 Iraqi troops. In this rugged terrain, guerrilla warfare was uniquely effective. The Kurdish leader, General Masoud Barzani, explained his objective.
The significance of this operation for us is its proximity to the city center and to the international highway, which is very important for the Iraqis. And beyond it, they have the oil pipeline, which carry the Iraqi oils to Europe.
The guerrilla group is given its orders to attack Iraqi patrols on the main highway between the oil fields of Kirkuk and the Turkish border. This was an area where the Iraqis were particularly nervous about rebel action because it was now the only export route for oil from its northern fields. The guerrillas' target is soon in sight. A passing car runs the gauntlet of the ambush. The casualties inflicted on Iraqi troops in such actions were less significant than their ability to disrupt oil traffic and divert large forces. And such actions were repeated constantly. In territory unsuitable for armored columns, Iraq's generals resorted to shelling suspected Kurdish positions. The multiple rocket launcher was another formidable artillery piece, as effective here as in the flatlands of the southern front. Deep, strongly fortified dugouts reminiscent of World War I afforded some protection. But Iraq's frantic desire to stamp out this nagging opposition led to an action that shocked the world. Two jets swooped low to bomb a Kurdish town recently taken by Iran. An Iranian army camera caught the moment of impact, not high explosives,